係咪冇咁虧啊
Be like
你應唔應該？其實你應該笑面少少。
Look at how cute we are. So we bought some stuff because we didn't have anything in the studio. We got a comb. We got some eyebrow knives
for sensitive skin.
and then we also have some eyebrow plucking things. So we're gonna cut her fucking hair with a very ordinary crafts scissor.
We're chopping my hair off and also making an eyebrow slit because we're Gemini. Honestly, I'm judging myself for committing to the idea of an eyebrow slit. 有啲乜嘢係 not controversial？ 但我哋可以講。
好驚啊！我冇試過咁樣剪嘅。I'm so scared.
Honestly, okay. 講我哋個 backstory. Yesterday, I saw a lot of girls having eyebrow slits, and I was like, oh, that would be fun because I'm bored with my appearance and I want to change my appearance. So I decided to fill in my eyebrows and then use concealer to make a slit in my eyebrow.
And then she's like, well, that's kind of fire though. 我而家係剪得非常之核突嘅，因為我剪
rough cut 啫嘛。Then I decided to, text her and say, hey,
I made a thing. Do you think it's good?
and then she's like,
It's a huge commitment.
and I was like,
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
No, it's because her normal style is very like
reserved.
non-stand out type. And I feel like if you have an eyebrow slit right now,
It's very
because we're all wearing masks.
Yes, exactly.
It's very
Yeah.
apparent.
I'm changing everything that I can.
我睇咗個 channel 咧 because you can't mention the thing going on right now. So she just refers to the as Voldemort. Okay, 我而家剪咗 around the head, like a length.
Yeah.
但係而家係
長過呢個。
呢個係非常之亂啦 so
係啊
around
你整翻齊佢都 OK。
Please be reminded that I'm not a hair person.
其實真係好想講 education system. They cancelled A levels and IB, and then they just delayed DSE.
A week before we're supposed to have our DSEs.
delay 成個月，但係你一個月你冇可能會好咗噶嘛。I don't know. It's your job.
Figure it out.
你搞到全部人嘅 study schedule 都錯晒咯。
Oh my god! 啊！呢度！Oh my god！真係要整齊佢。Nice.
我覺得你係咪冇中意個男人？Basically, I knew I wasn't straight since primary school because I they were demonetized. I saw something and then I was like, because I got the tick. And then I was like, in our school, it's we're really open, so it was never an issue. I always thought that that was normal. Or
You know
although
what? In any fucking Catholic girls' school, this is gonna happen. So don't even think it's only in our school.
that was kind of it.
It also came very naturally because we went to the same school, and it was just a very open atmosphere, environment. I mean, there were judgy people, but the judgy people,
We'll be judged.
I didn't face any judgment or anything. And when I was young, older people in our school just casually been in relationships, and people in the lower form just gossip about it.
Yeah, so it's kind of normalized.
As it should be.
Yes.
If something if an opportunity comes, I was just very open about it because it was a very open environment. I was just very exposed to trying different things and experimenting. And of course, my heart was broken. I would tell someone, oh, I have a new crush. The first question they would ask is
Who's she?
no, is it a boy or a girl? Obviously, that's not super progressive because non-binary people exist, but that's a huge step in a Chinese society.
I've talked to people.
Oh my god, talk to people.
I've only learned about LGBT pride, the Pride Parade in Hong Kong through advertisements on the MTR
Oh my god,
before.
huge step. Yeah, remember when there was a gay advertisement
Oh yeah.
of the airline thing?
Yeah.
And it was taken down.
But then if you don't actually out information or things about Hong Kong LGBT community, you don't really get exposed to it naturally. 係你想？
你唔可以勾喺你個耳咯，你勾喺我個耳我點剪啫？Snape vibes.
Okay, we're gonna talk about it.
I'm gonna make a poll. Do you think lesbian girls are fucking disgusting?
Only for, I don't know, fucking bottoms.
Tops think they're cool. And
I don't
think, don't you dare do it.
I was gonna. You knew I was gonna. Also, I have a hypothesis that men can't scream.
Scream?
Yeah, like they can't scream.
點解啊？
佢應該唔會睇嘅嗰個係咪
What if I get famous?
I first had a crush on a girl. My first actual crush was on a girl. All the people I fell in love with were all cute, and so the cute type. And so yeah, and yeah, my ex was basically like someone's shorter than me, and then can sing, can dance, is cute. And then I fell in love with a guy, and then a girl, and then a guy.
A girl? And then a guy.
No,係a girl and then a girl and then a guy and then the girl again and then a guy.
Me. Girl.
So hit me. What? There always have other things going on㗎啦。
I'm not a fucking
Doesn't
cheater.
leave-
I'm
doesn't-
not a cheater.
She's a lesbian magnet. And just all lesbians in our school are just attracted to her and out of control.
We do have strong moral compasses, though, I think.
Whenever we're in relationships, we would not have crushes on people.
Yeah.
Like this area.
我真係望緊自己。
I know. 我整個細。
得唔得㗎？你整幼啲先。哇！你冇咁。
唔係，黐線都唔係咁啊！點解你仲驚過我？
Because I'm gonna be doing it. 我覺得好驚咯。
唔使驚
Scared of my death.
你冇得吸㗎，佢
因為喺呢度整唔到。
哦。
Is it there?
Yeah, I actually like it. I like it.
Should I open a eyebrow slitting business? Y'all want me to slit your brows? It's kind of good.
Kinda good though. I like it.
呢個咧，呢個勁。Oh my god, look at all that hair. 呢個勁尖咯，入面勁利啊。
冇好啊。
唔好啊，即係講無啦啦錯手。I'm gonna fuck up my face。
我係 plug 㗎。
我覺得 plug 太慢啦。Long overdue, whatever. I'm like, we should clean up, and by we, I mean you.
Always.
點解而家變咗 spot focus? I need auto focus. Okay, so that was it. We cut her hair. I cut her hair and I slit her brows. Let me know what you think. You might
Regardless.
think we're annoying, and we know, sis.
Bye, bitches.
See you next time. Beat Voldemort, okay? Let's do it. Wear masks. Wash your hands. Something hip for you and me.
Ah, preppy like. Ooh. 應該係 this area 好冇
Like one slit.
in my of course
Not like 10 slit.
this area maybe here yeah I'm
我
quite
真係望緊自己。
I know okay we're gonna do it we're gonna do it we're gonna do it
我今日個妝幾靚，我今日個 blush kind of good，好耐冇用過呢個 blush。
係咩 blush brush
Can make 日本牌子。
nice
Do it here。
個好長我琴日好似 did it here 好長啊個 tape
god，好驚，
我整個細
都唔得㗎。你整幼啲先。哇！你冇咁。
唔係，黐線都唔係咁啊！我要黐咗呢個位之後，我再黐嗰個位，唔使驚。
Oh my god, I'm so scared。
我搽咗 mascara。
哇！唔好啊 你整近啲先係。
點解你仲驚過我嘅？
Cause I'm gonna be doing it。
哎呀，其實佢哋係咪合埋咗一齊？睇唔到啊！我大概呢個位就係幫我整，好長啊個 tape。And then my eyebrows gonna come off。
喂呀，你啲
You don't say。Yeah,
Come
that's
on.
good.
Then how do I do it？我就咁。
呢個係咪個 arch 嚟嘅？定係 arch 褪後咗嘅？我睇唔到。
後少少。
OK 啊，就係咁啦。Do it。
Oh my god！
Do
佢
it。
冇話要即係要梳起佢 or something。
冇啊。
佢就咁話。
就咁
Shake
do it。
between。
係咯。